This is Celine. She has just finished her first year of Masters Architecture at Auckland Uni. She's been with us from the end of year 12. Could you tell us a little bit about how it started, why you came to the design studio?
I came to design studio because I needed a portfolio for my university entry, and yeah, because I basically had almost nothing at that point, and I just needed a lot of help.
Yeah. You only had 1 year to build a portfolio.
Yeah.
So during that time, did you learn new things or how valuable was that time in the studio?
Definitely, I learned a lot, especially on using different type of mediums, because I mainly dealt with paint beforehand, but I also gained knowledge on markers, ink pens, gel pens, different types, all sorts, and it was valuable in a way that I guess the most valuable thing was I gained confidence in it, and I was brave about my artworks, and
By the time you had your portfolio ready, how did you feel?
I was really proud of it. I didn't believe that I could finish so many works in a year time, and with all sorts of different uh, styles and mediums, and yeah.
Yeah. Tell us about what the studio was like for you. Why did you enjoy going?
I enjoyed going to the studio because, first of all, I learned a lot, and then like it was more like chatting with a bunch of friends and like in the same place, but also learning new techniques and um, like every week. I guess it was really enjoyable, and I loved the atmosphere there.
Yeah. How was it different from what you were taught in school?
It's I love how in Tessie's teaching she doesn't really limit any people's creativity. In fact, she tries to guide them through their ideas and how they think, the thought process, instead of just telling them this, and that is what you need to do. That I think that's a really important point in the whole design studio, and it's also how I got to where am I now with all the ideas and yeah.
Yeah. And even after you went to uni, you still came back to do some classes too. How come?
Yeah.
How come?
I think it's really like it was really valuable for me because it's after, especially after you get into uni, it's like you don't really have much time to actually sit down and draw. And every week when I attend those classes, it's like it's I really cherish the time given to draw at that point. Yeah, because other times I'm really busy because of all the uni works and assignments. Those were the ink pen portraits that I did. They're one of my favorite drawings, and a painting portrait of my father. Face structure studies. I guess the street view is one of my favorite drawing. Even till now, it's one of my favorite way of illustrating things. Love the watercolor, and this was my very first painting did at Tessie's workshop. This was another one of my favorite street views. And quick sketches, markers, tap designs, and these were the clay models that I did before my hand in